Today we're at Widdrington, which is in the area of Morpeth, near Druridge Bay. And here we're at the Presbyterian church, built in 1894. It's quite pretty, and it's hidden by the road, so you can quickly pass it. But it's quite basic, in a Gothic style, with a tall roof, wooden roof, and these clear windows. Obviously, with this kind of church, you have no ornamentation, so no stained glass. And we have the Sunday congregation in there. And interestingly enough, it doesn't have a central aisle, which is apparently why a lot of people don't get married here, so I've been told. It looks out to some beautiful farmland, but unfortunately, it's now covered with a wind farm. But it's well worth looking at, and the congregation are very, very friendly. And we had a nice cup of coffee and a chat. It's well worth a visit. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and continue to watch as we show you some more interesting religious buildings in the northeast. Thank you for now. Bye.